All right, thank you all for tuning in. And today we're going to be talking about a credit card that we talked about on the channel once before, but we're now going to be talking about this card from a different perspective, and that is from the perspective of a credit limit increase rather than from the approval perspective. So, the card we're talking about today, of course, is the FNBO Evergreen card. Now, initially, when we talked about this card, we talked about getting the Evergreen card and being able to get this card as a card that would allow you to get a pre-approval, show you what your limit would be, as well as your APR on the card, as well as give you 1 year of interest-free payments. So we talked about this card just about a year ago, and with that being said, we've held this card for just about a year, and the card we have literally just continued to leave the card maxed out and pay down here and there to take advantage of that 0% interest rate. So with that being said, the majority of the time on the statement date, this card has been reporting at the maximum value, and that's the reason why I want to say that is because this card has reported at a maximum value. However, even with 100% utilization, due to good payment history, and this is why I tell you guys good payment history is the key to good credit. If you read this right here, they're going to say June 22nd, 2020, congratulations on your credit limit increase. So right there, as you can see, congratulations on your credit limit increase. So this card initially, when we received the card's limit was $5,600, $5,600, and as I said, we've had this card for about 12 months, and we left it maxed out, pretty much just paying down and charging back up to the maximum every single month because of the 0% interest rate up until this point, and we wanted to see what the card would do. And even with keeping this card maxed out every single month, they still honored that lovely payment history, on time payment history. And I guess that last final payment that we paid down on the card vastly right before the 12 months was up, and they gave us a automatic increase. All right, we didn't apply for this increase. They sent this to us. I'm trying to get it where you can see it, but as you can see there, $7,250 is the new limit on this card. So the card limit was still increased by FNBO even without us applying for an increase or anything, just due to good payment history and keeping the card open. So with that being said, I would definitely recommend this card still. I definitely love the Evergreen card and think that it's an amazing card. And for anybody out there looking for a good card that they be able to use, not worry too much about the limit, take advantage of the 0% interest offer, and still get an automatic credit limit increase, I would recommend that you guys go ahead and check out FNBO for this FNBO Evergreen card. That being said, as always, thank you guys for tuning in. We'll see you in the next one.